Right, so this is the offset adapter for the Souber. So it's set up basically to cut out for the key. Right. Look at this. I don't even know what they've done here. Oh my days. That's how they've left it. I mean, it's not even, don't know. Let's try and get this sorted. So, in summary, this actual offset jig I really like. I think that's going to be great. Like I say, I need to get a 30mm cutter. The largest I've got is the 25. I've got two 19s, 22 and a 25. But yeah, I would have given that. Evening, guys. It's Monday evening. I haven't done any work today. I felt rotten again with my cold and stuff. So, but I've just had a call from one of the property management companies that I do work for, and or from a tenant from there. And yeah, the main front door is jammed. So we're going to go and see what that is all about and see if we can get it working. In a bit. Problem with the Nightlatch here. Right. Yeah, that's just pushed all the way in. I have to see if we can repair this. If not, we'll have to replace it. That's the lock off the door. Get that back plate off. Right, that's the problem. The spring there has literally just popped out, but I think it's because the actual case was a bit loose, so we should be able to put all this back together and get it working. Also just noticed all of this is loose on the back plate when you get that sorted. Right, there we go, all working again. Lovely. How we doing, guys? I am on my way to a job in Shoreham. One of the guys that uses me at the property maintenance company or property management company, they have a daughter, and at the weekend she forgot her keys and went out on a date, and then had to call a locksmith, but she just called a £49 Google locksmith. Drilled the lock and it's basically left it not working. Obviously I wasn't around at the weekend, so they weren't able to get hold of me, but I'm going down there now to sort it for them. So. Right, look at this. I don't even know what they've done here. Oh my days. That's how they've left it. I mean, it's not even, don't know. Let's try and get this sorted. What I've done, guys, I wasn't able to use the old Yale faceplate that was on there because they're taking the back plate off. I'll show you at some point. Obviously your cylinder goes through there, and then there's a back plate that screws into there that holds the cylinder in place, and that was missing. So I wasn't able to use that, so we've done that. That covers up the two fixing holes for that. And that's all working. Lovely. I'll show you from this side. There we go. Right, we're going to fit a deadlock on here, and I'm going to try and see if I can use the Souber offset jig to put the keep in. So we'll see how that, I've not used it before, so we'll see how that goes. Right, so that's me all marked up for the keyhole there, and as before, marked up for the lock. So I'm using my cordial drill on this one because there's a plug socket just out there, so rather than sort of messing up my cordis. Right, let's get this drilled out, and then I'm hoping, like I say, that we can use the offset clamp, which is here. So this goes onto the jig, and I'm hoping I'm able to use it for the keep for the frame, so we good to try it. Right, another little tip for you guys: whenever I'm trying these in, once I've not tried this in yet, I think I might be a little bit gappy up here, but I always throw the bolt, because if it's tight, you've always got that to try and get hold of, and I always cut the keyholes as well before I try it in, so that you can also get a screwdriver in through there and pop it forward if you need to. But there's my hammer. Oh, I think my hammer's back out here actually. Let's give it a little tap and see how it's going in. It's going to fit alright. I don't think I can do this one-handed though. Maybe. Yeah, I think that's alright. Are we right there? Yes, wonderful. And there, yes, wonderful. Right, so we can fix this now, and then, like I say, I'm hoping to use the offset Souber attachment on there, so hopefully we can see how that works. Right, so this is the offset adapter for the Souber. So it's set up basically to cut out for the keep. So at the moment it's set up to cut out for the box bit, but I've just realised that the faceplate of this is 30mm and the biggest cutter I've got is 25. So I'll have to try and find a 25mm cutter, but the 22mm that you get with the kit, which is for 3 lever locks, will obviously cut out for the box, so it's not all a waste. So I'll cut this out, and then I can try the faceplate in, and then mark around and then just chisel it out as I would normally. But yeah, that wasn't too bad to set up actually, so definitely worth getting in my opinion. And yeah, like, you know, just slides up and down. Where's the centre? That's the centre there, look, so you can see it's on the line, and it'll just slide up as you would doing it on the lock on the door. All right, there we go, there's the cut out. So that was where the bolt, that's the height of the bolt. So that now goes in there, and then get the lovely tracer pencil, mark around that. And now we can chisel that, and that should be bob on. Right, so that's that cut out. So 2 screws in, give it a test, and then we can put the rest of the screws in, providing it all works, all right? Let's give it a go. Let's give this a go. Ah, lovely. Yep, nice. So now I can get the remaining 2 screws in there. They are somewhere over here. All right. Another quick test. I mean, it's going to be all right. Yeah, beautiful. Right, all that leaves is this little bad boy. That, I think, we'll put this end on it. So in summary, this actual offset jig I really like. I think that's going to be great. Like I say, I need to get a 30mm cutter. The largest I've got is the 25. Got two 19s, 22 and a 25. Once I've got one, and the next deadlock I'll get, I'll see if I can use it again. But yeah, good. I like it. Hi guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. I've not been well. I've not done a huge amount, and obviously I don't record every single job that I go to. But yeah, I've had a couple of days off being ill. But now I'm going up to, or in the morning, driving up to Leeds to see my stepdaughter with Sarah, as it's her birthday. So we're off for another couple of days. So yeah, only a short one, and I don't know about Sunday. I've got a couple of jobs booked in for Friday. I might be all right for a video Sunday. I might get a job in Saturday, and I don't know. But yeah, just a short one today. Just wanted to say about that job with the Nightlatch. So the PBS one, the Yale. So I weren't able to reuse the escutcheon plate, like I said, because they've taken there's a back plate that fixes the cylinder too. So obviously if you take that off, then the cylinder's got no way, there's just nothing to support the cylinder. So obviously it just pulls through. So what I did was, without spending the money and going and get another Nightlatch, which they didn't really want to do. They just wanted to keep it as cheap as possible, obviously. That was the only way I could get around that, and using the big cover rows to cover the holes for where the PBS one goes, the faceplate. But yeah, 49er strike again, eh? Like I say, she was quoted £55 on the phone. When they said how much would it be to get us in, they said £55 on the phone. Charged her 200 quid to gain entry, just drilling it. Told her that multi-lock is unpickable, but it's not, obviously, and which it never is. They always say that, don't they? Yeah, just went straight for the drill. But he also wanted, so he charged her 200 quid for gain entry, but then wanted another £180 to fit a new cylinder. So they told him to jog on, and yeah, the girl's dad, who's one of the property management guys that I do work for. It was his daughter, but he went round there to have a go at just fitting a new cylinder, but he wasn't able to do it. I guess he had the same problem with the cylinder pulling through, but yeah, bloody 49ers, eh? Anyway, just quickly before I go, for any of you trading locksmiths out there in the UK, there's a really good Facebook group called UK Locksmith Hub. So if you, I mean, I'm part of a few. I've actually come off of a few as well, because I've noticed that a few of them are quite bitchy. But yeah, this one's really nice. If you got any problems, you can just post it on there, and yeah, I think there's up to about 450 or something members. But yeah, it's a really good group. So yeah, like I say, any UK locksmiths that are on Facebook, check it out. I think you do have to apply to be a member. And you do have to be a locksmith as well to actually. It's a private group, so you have to be a locksmith to actually become part of a group. The group. So, UK Locksmith Hub, check it out. And yeah, like I say, any problems you get, or yeah, I think people even pass jobs on and stuff like that. So, yeah, check it out. Right, as always, thank you for watching. Sorry, it's a short one, and like I say, Sunday might be a short one as well, but. Thank you for watching, and if you've liked the video, which you probably haven't, it's not really been much. I know the Souber, that was quite interesting, the offset jig. Yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Any nice comments down there, as always, and please give us a subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, just got to hit that notification, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and then you'll get notified when I do another video as well. Thanks guys, as always, speak to you soon.